Good morning, guys. Yeah, it's chop, chop, chop. Strength one day, weakness next day. Gotta be so careful in these types of... Yeah, out, A-O-U-T. Maybe an EP. I haven't really looked at the... like how big of a beat it is and stuff like that. Yeah, I'm not gonna trade it, but big numbers. I'm not gonna play any of these EPs or potential EPs. Yeah, man. Oh, I did get OCG, not a big position, but the other ones, man, I kind of missed them. And Zikin, I had it too, but I got stopped out and I never got back in. I was bidding on it yesterday in the low 8s. Did it trade there? No. And wow, TCAT. Only up 351% since yesterday. Okay. Great. I hope some of you traded them better than I did. I did miss many of them. I'm not gonna trade TCAT on the short side. Not today. Maybe tomorrow. Or yeah, tomorrow is Friday. Yeah, maybe tomorrow if it goes up a lot today also. HOFV. Okay. There's so many. I'll stick to my boring stuff. Boring stocks like Tesla, Roku, Baidu. You don't have to be so fast on those. I'll stick to the boomer stocks. You don't have to be super fast on these. Why EPs are not working? Many of them are. The earnings EPs are not working because a lot of the stocks that have them are already very, very extended. They already had their runs. EPs need to be early, preferably, or coming out of a big, you know, long base or weakness. Those are the best ones. Not when the market already has gone up 12 months in a row. Biggest bull market ever, or since late 90s. That's not really. But there are a lot of EPs that are working. Like these NFT stocks. OCG, look at what it's done since the EP. TCAT, this thing EP'd earlier this week. Zakin, well this one stopped me out. YVR, these are all EPs. But if you think about stuff like CrowdStrike, oh, actually it didn't gap up. What are some of the recent earnings gappers that, you know, stuff that had really good earnings? Roku maybe? Yeah, Roku, you know. Because they were already all very extended. That's the problem. Quad witching, I don't care. Quad witching, quintuple witching, triple witching, double witching, whiny bitching, I don't care. Focus on the things that matter. Focus on the price section. There's always something. Always something. Like yesterday people asked me up the FOMC, now people asking me up the triple witching. Who cares? There's always something. It's all noise. It's all noise. And the less you can ignore the noise, the better. Focus on setups, focus on price action, focus on what the stocks in your tradable universe are doing. That's your job. Everything else will take care of itself. There's always someone doing or saying something. And it's all noise. The best traders are very good at taking losses and cutting out noise. Bond yield going up is not noise, it will kill bullish tech price up if it continues. Well, you know what? It's reflected in the setups. If tech is gonna go down, you will see it on the charts. You don't need to know why it's going down. It's all noise. It's all mental masturbation. Alright, good luck guys. Yeah, heck so, maybe. It's a nice little range, but I would have preferred more tightness. Oh, I hope these NFT names pull back. I would love to buy these things on a nice pullback. This Zikin, if you can pull back to low 8s. IMTE, if you can pull back to like $7 or something. And the OCG that I'm already long, if you can pull back to like $9. How did these NFT names pop up into the radar? Except everyone talking about them. Everyone's talking about them. Kind of hard to miss. I wanna. Which ones are the fraudiest ones out of these NFT names? Is it TCAT? The fraudiest ones usually go up the most. I wanna buy some of the obvious frauds. All of them? Okay, I'll buy an equal amount of all of them. NFT, TCAT is not NFT? Okay, I'm gonna load up on this thing. On a good setup. Not today, I'm not gonna touch it today, but maybe next week or something. Yeah, Sino, the shipping stock. Is it yeah, it's a Chinese shipping company. Most legit of the NFT plays. I'm gonna buy with both hands on a good setup. Hmm. VCL looks good. I don't know what the news are. Earnings maybe? I'm not sure. But also make sure the news are good. It has to be surprise to the market. Just because a stock is gapping up on volume doesn't make it a good buy. There has to be some driving force into it. Some driving force that can push it higher for weeks and months. AEC? Yeah, I bought it because it's one of these esports stocks. Oh, wait. I don't understand what this means. Does this news mean ASC is gonna go up or down? Yeah, wheat stocks, Tilray, APHA, especially Tilray. I hope it can go sideways a bit here. SOS, only on a good setup, not today, maybe tomorrow. RKT, RKT looks like shit right now. It's below the 20-day. AISE. Oh, you'll see. When Wall Street Bets finds AISE, it's gonna triple. Doesn't matter. We'll see. I see this SLGG and GMBL are there flagging really nicely. If these things go like this GMBL, oh man, it's gonna make a big move once it breaks out of this flag. SLGG looks very explosive too. And you know, if these go, AESC will go too. Trust me, the people who are gonna buy this thing, they don't know. They don't know anything about fundamentals. They'll just buy it. They don't care. UPSD, yeah. Well, I did buy it, so I think it's pretty good. It's already traded average daily volume, 22 minutes. Sorry, 12 minutes. Wait, yes, 12 minutes after market open. That's pretty good. It's pretty significant. It's a recent IPO, coming off of some weakness. Yeah, we'll see. They bought a company. The guidance was insane. But obviously it includes the company they bought, so it's not like organic growth. But still, we'll see. David buying SWBI, of course he is. I'm not surprised. CSIC, no, CSIQ didn't have triple digit growth. No, it didn't. They had negative EPS growth and 13% revenue growth. Pretty all over the place. I think you are triple digit growth is not the same thing as a analyst beat. The earnings were shitty. Yes, it was an analyst beat, but the earnings were shitty. Hey, that's a nice. David uses optical zoom to read his charts. GMBL. I've been in this thing for a month. It should be no surprise to anyone. Predicting Wall Street bets is a dangerous game. Trading is a dangerous game. Damn it, Zikin, come on. Don't go without me. Oh. The square too. I mean, you know, by next week, if we can tighten up a little bit more, it's gonna look pretty good. Needs to tighten up. This got short. I had it yesterday. I got stopped out. Well, actually, I stopped myself out before the stop was hit. It closed very strong. I didn't want to deal with a gap up, but maybe, yeah. If it keeps going higher, maybe I'll look at it next week or something. Right now, I'm not interested in it. This VX is working nicely though. Or well, it did bounce off the 10-day. But at least this thing now showed its first crack, so we'll see. I'm gonna use yesterday's highs as my stop on it. Oh man, this one is going. I didn't buy any. Oh, well. NCLH is also good for next week, maybe. RTR. VSTO. Oh, this is a good setup. Holy shit. Too late to buy now, but wow. Congrats to those who had this thing on their watch list coming into the day. You see something like this, it's a very good setup. Or actually... Ugh. Man, I hate DC2. You can't scroll. Let's zoom in a lot. And then do this. This, and now I'll zoom out. Okay. This. Very good setup. Shouldn't take you more than half a second to see. Holy shit, that's a good setup. Yes, I know, but we already concluded I don't have those buttons on my keyboard. Doesn't work. I don't have an American keyboard. Doesn't work for me. Usak? Yeah, maybe. What's a Zerti? I don't think people know what a Swedish. I don't think Americans know that there are actually that different countries have different keyboard layouts. And that some buttons don't exist. There are no other countries, that's true. Yeah, apparently people in China don't use American keyboards. US has the best stock market. Yep, that is true. The US has some of the most amazing companies in the world and the best stock market by far. There's no reason to trade any other stock market. Like the opportunity on the US market, in the US markets, it's there. Nothing even comes close. Nothing comes close. Like there's so many, like there's a lot of like Chinese companies, European companies, Israeli, like South American companies. You can pretty much trade the whole world just from the trading the US stock market. There's so many, like Spotify. It's a Swedish company, but it's not listed in Sweden. It's listed on the NYSE. There's no reason to be anywhere else than the US stock market. Yeah, hundreds. There's hundreds of Israeli companies, South American, like Brazilian, Argentinian, like Meli. It's like, yeah, I think it's an Argentinian company. And there's a lot of them, like different countries. Yeah, it's looking good. Damn it, I had the opportunity to buy the dip on these things, I didn't. So I don't know where to buy dips. I'm the worst dip buy. Oh, TCAP going higher. Holy shit. Oh, Dantes is talking about these gaming stocks again. Maybe I should double up on them. I wonder if GM is a potential short setup. Maybe later today. Not gonna touch it right now. Nog. AOUT. Yeah, decent volume. I mean, it's traded about what, twice the average daily volume so far. I don't know. I haven't really looked much. Yeah, the numbers look good on the surface, but I haven't looked at the guidance and stuff like that. But yeah, maybe could work. Yeah, man, there's so many things setting up. There's a lot of things setting up. Getting excited for tomorrow and next week. W also. Etsy maybe next week. Apps is setting up high tide flag, or well, maybe not a high tide flag, but it's a nice flag. Needs more time though. Wait, YVR, did they have an offering? Nice. What price? What's the offering price? $6 million registered direct offering? Hell, I'll buy a $6 million position if it dips a bit more. They could just ask me. Why didn't they ask me? I would have done the offering for them. What's the price? Wait, 335? Next time come to me first. I'll give them a better deal. I will give them a much better deal. I would have done 336 if they had just asked, but they didn't. They could have gotten a penny more. YI. I don't see anything here. How can it be your first day? Isn't there a 30 day wait for before you can chat? Or is it first day you can chat? I guess it's the first day you can chat. Finvi, Vale. Vale looks intriguing. I was long this thing earlier this week, if I remember correctly. Wait, which one? Fin? F-I-N-V. I don't see anything here yet. FCX. Yeah. Oh, I'm gonna look at MU now. Where is it? Oh, it's okay. I thought it was gonna be at 100 or something. What's AMAT doing? Yeah, AMAT also. Oh, don't go. No, W, don't go. Don't go. This thing looks good, but I want tightness. Nope, I haven't sold a single share in OCG. I don't have a big position, unfortunately. I bought before the big volume came in. I never added. I should have added yesterday. I didn't. I would like to increase my position by a factor of 10. CTXR, yeah, it is setting up. Tiger. Yeah, needs more time. Penn. Yeah, what's DraftKings doing? DraftKings is holding up nicely. Penn is down. NVAX was beautiful when it bounced off the 100, started building higher lows and took out this. Yeah, this day here. I was thinking about it, but I never pulled the trigger. mRNA, same thing. Bounced off the 100, started building higher lows, and then it had a little breakout of this range. I passed on them. I'm not really good at these setups. Not my bread and butter, but I'm trying to improve. How fraudulent is this YVR? I'm trying to buy it on the dip. Depends on how fraudulent, the fraudulence that depends my size. If it's a total fraud, I'll just do another 100,000 shares. On a scale to 0 to LK, it's a 5. I know it's the NFT play, but I want to know how fraudulent it is. How legit is it? RevG. I don't see anything here. DMTK, yeah, it needs more time. Yeah, how legit of a fraud is it? I want the most legit frauds, or the most fraudulent frauds. Yeah, Riot and Mara 2 for next week are gonna look so good. They look so good. Need few more days. Okay, can we get a real pullback in these NFT names now? I want to have at least 10% of my equity in these names. Right now I'm only in like a couple of percent. Tiny, teeny tiny. Not even that. I don't even have 1% exposure to these yet. No, 10% is too much. Maybe 5% exposure. Zikin. Yeah, good. Let them calm down. Scared? Any stock can crash 50% at any point. But you want the stocks that can go up 500% before they go down 50%. QQQs, yeah, they're weak. And that's all you need to know. Nasdaq is weak. A lot of the software and tech stocks are weak. A lot of them are bear flagging. You don't need to know anything about bonds. What you need to know is that a lot of them are weak. There are no long setups there. Everything else is just mental masturbation and waste of time. You don't need to know all that other stuff. It's gonna confuse you. CTRM. Yeah, it looks nice. Pretty good looking one. Yep. Wow. SB2. Yeah, SPLK broke out last week. SB looks decent. CTRM. Yeah, this one looks good. What will happen to YVR if I cancel my bid here? Is it gonna... Oh, cancel. What will happen? Immediately went lower. Okay, I'll bid more when it goes lower. YVR is so fraudulent, not even SPAC Jesus Chamat will touch it. Oh yeah, I'll definitely bid more if it goes lower. We'll see. I mean, these positions are just, you know, tiny. I have 1/4% of my equity in this thing. I want to get it at least 1%. Wait. YVR, what's the market cap? Oh, how much of a company do you have to own to before you, or you know, before you have to file with the SEC? I don't want to file with the SEC. Is it like 5%? Okay, so I can't buy more than what? Oh, I can't buy more than 150. No, wait. What's 5% of 10 million? Jesus Christ. 500,000. How many shares is that? 150. Oh, okay. Okay. I think I have to cancel some of my bids here. I really don't want to file with the SEC. I'm fine for now. So how many? So at 500,000 divided by 3. So around 150,000 shares is what I can own. Okay. Damn. Okay, yeah. Try the small account challenge, they said. No, try the big account challenge. The small screen challenge? SEC has entered the chat. Oh, so you can actually hold it overnight, but you, as long as you sell it like in a next couple of days. Oh, okay. Oh. It's a tiny piece of shit. I fully expect it goes down 50%. I was trying to find news on it and PRs. I didn't find anything about NFT. And if you follow me into my trades, you're an idiot. Don't follow me into any trades. I'm playing around with funny money. Stick to solid setups. I'm just having some FOMO since I missed TCAT. And Zikin shook me out and then went without me. So I'm getting into some of the shittier fraudulent, probably fraudulent. I didn't find anything about NFT on this stupid thing. Is Futu dead? Every stock with no setup is dead to me. Yes, it's dead. UPSD. Now I wish I'd bought more. Yeah, this is perfect. I wish I had bought some more. Alright, time to start. Let's see, what's my entry here? Already up 15%, yeah. Gonna start selling small chunks of this thing. I only got 30,000 because it's kind of a illiquid stock. It only trades like 1.5 million shares on average. And if it was more liquid, I would have gotten like 50,000, 80,000, 100,000 even if it was like a liquid stock. Nope. Guys, a lot of your questions will be answered. You just follow the instructions on the screen. I can't believe I have to repeat it 5 times per day. What's going on with Volkswagen? Wait, VW. This thing is making some serious moves. Yeah, I'm gonna get the new phone as soon as I stop streaming. It was supposed to arrive yesterday, so I went to the store and they're like, nah, it hasn't arrived yet. And now I got a text like an hour ago. Oh, we got the phone. So I have to go back. How much of trading is psychology? 102%. Damn it. Another one. I saw it early, but it's so thin, man. These things have no market caps. One of these days, I'm gonna buy one of the penny stocks and become like a maturity holder. I'm gonna sit on a board. What's the market cap on FDMSF? I mean, just to take an like an example. Like I passed on it because it was so small. It's an OTC. I can't even get it get data on it in any of my platforms. $13 million, 14 million, 32 million. One of these days, I'm gonna become a maturity holder, kick the management. I'm gonna get into coins and NFT, EVs, batteries, weed. I'm gonna make an NFT coin out of weed. I know W's. I know. I know. I know. You don't have to sit and watch stocks every day. You can just set alerts. What wouldn't it be nice to have your own like public company? Even if it's OTC, that would be pretty cool. You know what I would do? I would start importing Nocco to the US so all my followers can get some Nocco. And I would put some of the balance sheet in Dogecoin, whatever it's called. I'll pretty much gonna follow all of Elon's trades. See, oh, that's what I'm gonna do. Hey guys, a pure play on all of Elon's trades. And I'm gonna, on all of the Chamath's SPACs, it's gonna be like the best stock ever. Exactly. Yeah, I'm gonna use the chat of a fraudulent OTC company. Yeah. I'm not gonna lose all my money. I'm only gonna lose the money I buy the worthless OTC company for. I'm gonna go through some of the OTCs. Pink sheets. There's so many. There's only 17,000. Let's see, market cap or capitalization. There's no data for like most of the Siemens. Yeah, I'll buy the float on Siemens. Is that a fraud? Hitachi. Oh, this one, I remember this one. Someone with a cool ticker. Oh, I remember trading this one many years ago. This one I remember also. Oh man, So many. I remember a lot of these. I've been trading them over the years. They're all bankrupt now. That's what happens. Most stocks. They go bankrupt. Royal, I remember this one. Oh, this one I remember too, an oil and gas name. Aha, another oil and gas name. Man, I traded like half of these companies. Holy shit. Mace, I remember. This one I remember. This one, wait, is it? Yeah, this one I remember. China pollution play. Well, now it's a China bankruptcy play. Holy shit. How many out of these 17,000 stocks have I traded? Probably at least 1,000, 2,000 maybe. You are, oh, this one I remember. This one I remember. Oh boy. And now AEC is going. Oh, SLGG is going, nice. Yeah, I wish I had bought like this one. Wait, what's the ticker? VYGVF. This one I found at $6 when someone tweeted about it. I wish this is one I actually wish I had bought the float on. What's the market cap on this thing? $3 billion? Okay, I can't buy the float on this thing. No ho. No ho. ASO. Yeah, I guess it looks okay. Oh boy, looks like I got a big one here. Well, not enough size. Who knew? Maybe I'll sell a bit more. Almost up 20% on it, yeah. I'll sell a tiny bit more. GMBL. Oh, VIEC. Well, you know, these things are tough to trade. The grinders are the worst. Why would I sell on day one? Because it's made a big move and I want to lock in some profits. Oh, this one is starting to go. Nice. Okay guys, chill here. I'm selling tiny bits. I'm up more than 20% on it. It's not one of these low float micro caps and go up 500%. You know, 20%. It's a big move. Selling a tiny bit, just locking in. I don't have the luxury of a small account. I need to get out when I can, not when I want to. Just sizing down a little bit. Chill. I don't have the luxury like you guys have. I'd have to trade a bit differently. I know. There is no such thing as a small account challenge. There is only trading skill challenge. How many times has Chris sold and it's gone up 100% more? Never happened. I always sell the top. Don't spread fake news. I always sell the top. I'm that good. Twitter, yeah, I got stopped out. Oh yeah, it looks good. I got stopped out. I got shaken out, but it still looks good. It's building higher lows. It's a very good looking one. I'll get back to it. Pinterest got rejected off the 20-day. Like all the other growth stocks. What is your incentive to buy the whole float like you said? Would it not be riskier to do this? Could you explain some reasoning behind? There is no reasoning, I'm just trolling around. I'm bored. Hey Chris, do you love us? No. Eyes? Looks good. SOS. Damn, they're all starting to go. They're not good setups. Oh man. Now this is an EP. Now this is an... I wish I had got some on the 1 minute breakout, but I got them. I chased it at 89. But man, if I had gotten it at like in the 85s, that would have been nice. Or, you know, better than my 89 average. Some pretty decent things setting up for tomorrow and next week. This was whatever. Tilray, GME maybe? We'll see. RCL, look at how nicely it's surfing the 20-day and building higher lows and getting tighter. Oh my god, this one looks good. Twitter, NCLH. Yeah, RCL, Twitter, NCLH. KWeb maybe next week. NIO maybe next week. Tesla maybe next week. NCTY. It's a crypto. Yeah, it's a crypto name. Oh man, this thing looks good. And there are many more. W already broke out. Williams Sonoma. I didn't even look at it. MSTR, this thing is looking really good. This is the way I would like to see Riot and Mara next week, you know, tighten up a bit more. But man, if I know these things, they're just gonna go, giving us a setup. What's SI doing? Yeah, oh, SI. It's more. Yeah, but GBTC, I'm already oversized into this thing. I won't add. But yeah, it is setting up. Again. So I'm kind of oversized. I don't have the balls to buy more. NXTD, yeah. Oh, this thing is thin though. But yeah, it looks good. Why would I go buy Bitcoin when I can buy GBTC? That's the question. OCG near lows? Yeah. I want them all to pull back a lot. I don't care about GBTC trading at a discount or premium. When it goes up, premium is built in, and when it goes down, premium comes out. And I'm interested in the going up part. UPSD parabolic, it's far from a parabolic. Maybe if it goes up another 50% tomorrow. Bum, ba-dum, bum, bum. CP. Yeah, this is one type of short setup that can work. If you have a long, big long trend and it breaks one of these key moving averages after showing some weakness, sure, it's one way to short like momentum stocks. This Roku too, it's gonna be great if it can just go sideways a few more days. The 20-day needs to come down to the price, then it will be ready. Square. We'll see. They all need more time. They're all also potential bear flags. It depends on which way they resolve. What if CP continues down? Well, that's the point. That's the point of shorting. You want it to go down. BF5. Oof, avoid this one. This is a shitty setup. Avoid it. Avoid it. Avoid it. You need to review the instructions on the screen. You need to watch the swing trading school videos. You need to read the blog post on setups. Viek. I think I need to get my new phone soon. UAMY needs more time. But the 50 needs to go up a bit, 20 needs to go down. It needs to get tighter, then it will be a good setup. Tightness is your friend. Will I unbox it live? No. I'll send it to Brandy and she will unbox it live. And then she will send it back to me. My OnlyFans not going well. I'm not able to verify my account because their systems suck and I gave up. Mogo? I don't see anything here. Crypto. Crypto stock. Or maybe gambling too. LKCO? I don't see anything here. Well, what is the crypto? Yeah, looking good. Good setup. Just so they can get tighter. Alright, I'm gonna get my new phone. Alright guys, thank you for joining, see you tomorrow.